Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at one logical question. Now find the sum of the roots of the equation 1 plus 2 to the power of 22x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 33x minus 2 plus 2 to the power of 11x minus 2. He is asking to find the sum of the roots. So as you are going to start this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here, first of all, what is given? 1 plus 2 to the power of 22x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 33x minus 2 plus 2 to the power of 11x minus 2. So here, first of all, you have to remove this exponential form. So let k is equal to 2 power 11x. So if you take let k equal to 2 power 11x, then equation will change like this. 1 plus 2 to the power of 2 into 11x into 2 power 1 is equal to 2 into 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 into 11x into 2 power minus 2 plus 2 to the power of 11x into 2 power minus 2. So if you substitute 2 power 11x, 1 plus k square into 2 is equal to k cube by 4 plus k by 4. Send all the terms to one side. You will get k cube by 4 plus k by 4 minus 2k square minus 1 equal to 0. Now taking LCM, k cube minus 8k square plus k minus 4 equal to 0. Now you will get a cubic equation k cube minus 8k square plus k minus 4 equal to 0. Let x1, x2 and x3 are the roots of cubic. We are having the roots x1, x2, x3. Now product of the roots. Product of the roots here minus d by a. Product of the roots minus d by a. So here 4 by 1. So the roots are 2 to the power of 11x1 into 2 to the power of 11x2 into 2 to the power of 11x3. This value is equal to 4. So 2 to the power of 11 common, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2 square. The bases are equal, powers must be equal. 11 into x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2. So here x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2 by 11. Therefore, sum of the roots x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2 by 11. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.